If you're planning to buy a lightweight drone right now, stopping for a moment could save you a lot of money and regret. The drone industry appears to be approaching one of its biggest transformations yet, and all eyes are turning toward the rumored DJI Mini 6 Pro. According to growing supply chain reports and industry leaks, DJI may be preparing a sub-250-gram drone that completely changes expectations for what a compact aircraft can deliver. If even half of these rumored upgrades prove accurate, current lightweight drones could suddenly feel outdated. The biggest rumored improvement revolves around the camera system. Lightweight drones have always struggled with a compromise between portability and image quality. Smaller sensors often struggle in difficult lighting conditions, creating excessive noise in darker scenes while losing details and highlights during bright conditions. However, reports surrounding the Mini 6 Pro suggest DJI may be introducing a much larger 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor. This would dramatically improve dynamic range, low light performance, and overall image clarity. A stacked sensor design could also improve readout speeds, reducing rolling shutter distortions and creating smoother footage when filming fast-moving subjects or quick camera pans. Another rumored breakthrough is the addition of a mechanical variable aperture ranging from f1.8 to f11. This feature could significantly improve workflow for filmmakers and content creators. Traditionally, drone pilots rely on external ND filters to manage exposure during bright daylight conditions. With an adjustable aperture, users may be able to control light directly through the camera without needing to constantly land and swap filters. Whether shooting during bright midday sunlight or the soft tones of golden hour, creators could have much more flexibility while maintaining cinematic motion blur and proper shutter settings. Video performance is also expected to take a major leap forward. Leaks suggest the Mini 6 Pro may support uncompressed 6K recording at 60 frames per second, alongside 4K recording at up to 120 frames per second for detailed slow-motion footage. Such specifications would place this compact drone in competition with significantly larger and more expensive models. Higher resolution footage would also provide creators with more flexibility in post-production, allowing for cropping, reframing, and stabilization while maintaining professional image quality. One of the most exciting rumored additions is a Nightscape LiDAR obstacle detection system. Traditional obstacle sensors often struggle in low-light environments because they rely heavily on visible light to detect surroundings. This can make nighttime flying risky and limit the effectiveness of obstacle avoidance systems. A LiDAR-based setup, however, could allow the drone to map surroundings using laser pulses, helping it identify trees, buildings, and obstacles even in darker conditions. If implemented successfully, this could represent a major leap in flight safety for compact drones. Battery life may also see a dramatic improvement. Reports indicate DJI could be exploring high-density battery technology to increase efficiency while keeping the drone below the important 249-gram threshold. Since many countries exempt drones under this limit from stricter regulations and registration requirements, maintaining lightweight status remains critical. Some rumors even point toward flight times approaching 60 minutes on a single charge, a figure that would dramatically outperform many current compact drones and reduce the stress of constantly monitoring battery levels during shoots. Connectivity and transmission technology are also expected to improve. The rumored next-generation O5 transmission system could deliver stronger signal reliability and smoother high-definition live video feeds, even in crowded urban areas with heavy interference. Long-range communication improvements may also appeal to creators filming large landscapes or complex moving shots. Beyond performance, subtle design upgrades may improve real-world usability. Leaks mention aerodynamic refinements, quieter propellers, reinforced folding mechanisms, and improved wind resistance. These changes could make the Mini 6 Pro more stable, durable, and discreet during filming sessions. While DJI has not officially confirmed these details, growing industry speculation suggests a possible launch later this year. Pricing rumors place the base version near premium territory, while combo packages with extra batteries and accessories could cost significantly more. Even so, if these features become reality, the Mini 6 Pro may redefine expectations for lightweight drones. Instead of forcing users to choose between portability and professional performance, DJI could finally merge both into one highly capable, pocket-sized aircraft.